Hello everyone, welcome to Hangar 6. Today we're going to talk about hammers. So, this is your standard shop hammer you'd find in your garage and in most shops and most places around the world. This is a 16 ounce metal hammer with a fiberglass plastic handle. It's very good for just doing general nailing. This right here is a ball peen hammer. It's specifically made for more delicate hammering operations. So there's a lot less weight in the tip of this hammer, and you can use it for doing more fine, delicate work as you shape and manipulate materials. This is a rubber mallet. Rubber mallet is fantastic for applying a lot of force and pressure without damaging the surface or marring the surface, which is really good. And last but not least are dead blow hammers. These right here are two types of dead blow hammers. If you listen, you can hear the shaking inside of them. They're actually filled with buckshot, and that allows you to hammer onto a surface, and all of that that energy that goes from the hammer basically dies at the source. So there's no bounce, there's no percussions. The material inside just takes all that force away. And this particular one is a smaller 12 ounce version of the 16 ounce right here. This one also has a brass tip for when you need to apply more concentrated force without worrying about marring harder materials such as stainless steel or regular machine steel. Thank you.